Good morning, kids. Today I'm going to teach you poem Noses. First, let us read out the poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. So, this poem is written by Eileen Fisher. So, kids, you might all have been thinking that why the title is noses. Nose is one part of our body. So, what is it about noses? Okay, I'll tell you. First, in the first stanza, what happens? No, one girl, she's standing in front of the mirror and she's looking into the mirror and she feels that her nose is growing in a funny and strange way. Funny means laughable. Okay. So strange means something unpleasant way. So, and then she's saying that it sticks means nose sticks right out her face. Okay. Like someone has sticked something on her face. So that nose has two small holes through which the air goes in and out, means breathing. Okay, in the next stanza she's saying that I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose like a handle sticking there. So she observes that in the second stanza, she observes that her nose grows out like a handle, it seems, between the end of her chin and the start of her hair. You all know what is handle, no kids? Handle means what? A part of an object used for holding it. Okay, that's called as handle. So here she's thinking that her nose is like a handle sticking there, means on her face. So in the last stanza she's saying that if ever you want to giggle and shout, giggle means silly laugh in a low voice. Okay, so if you want to laugh and shout but can't find a reason for it, no reason, without reason you will start laughing, no. So the girl is saying this, then all one needs to do is you have to look in the mirror. She says that is the way the nose sticks out will surely appear funny and will make one laugh. Means she's saying that if you want to laugh, no, without any reason, so what you must all do is you should go and stand in front of the mirror, and without any reason you will start laughing. Why? Looking at your nose, the way it is. Okay, the way the nose is sticking out on your face. So then if you stand in the front of the mirror, surely without any reason you will start laughing. So this is what the girl feels when she stands in front of the nose. So this is about the poem Nose. Okay, children, this is somewhat yes, this poem is the funniest poem, no? Yes, about your nose. Okay, so what you all will do now after hearing this poem? So even you will also stand in front of the mirror, no? And like I feel that even you will also feel happy, and you will also feel I mean you will also love seeing your nose, like how this girl, she was feeling the funniest thing